With the WAGO TopJob S installation rail mount terminal blocks, you can connect solid and fine stranded conductors with fair rules without tools and easily detach them with an operating tool. All commonly used conductor sizes can be connected. The screwless and disconnected slide link enables simple, permanent contact to the bus bar. The multi-level installation terminal blocks with internal end disconnect are designed for mounting without end bus bar. An installation resistance measurement takes just half the time. With this intelligent staggered jumper system, all your communing tasks are easily realized. Thanks to the clearly legible marking strip, you always have an overview. Talk to us. We are always available to advise you.